Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we'll take you on a delicious journey as we show you how to create a tantalizing tortilla beef wrap that will leave your taste buds begging for more. So, let's dive right in. Our adventure begins with the star of the show, the beef. We start by placing the glorious meat in a large mixing bowl. Add salt, black pepper, and freshly chopped onions and mix them to perfection. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. With the ingredients well combined, we move on to the next step. Taking a small portion of the seasoned beef, we gently press it flat over a soft tortilla, ensuring an even distribution of meaty goodness. Now, we carefully place the tortilla, meat side down, onto a preheated pan lightly brushed with oil. We let it cook for approximately 6 minutes on medium-low heat until the meat is cooked through. Then flip it over. It's time for the next stage of deliciousness. We sprinkle a generous amount of cheddar cheese over the cooked meat, ensuring every nook and cranny is adorned with its melty goodness. Then, we cover the pan for approximately 4 minutes on medium-low heat, allowing the cheese to melt and form a luscious blanket over the flavorful beef. Repeat until you finish all the meat. In my case it was enough for 8 scrumptious 20 cm tortilla wraps. We move on to a tantalizing sauce that will take it to the next level. In a small mixing bowl, we combine creamy mayonnaise with ketchup, creating a symphony of flavors. To add some crunch and a burst of freshness, we finely chop some onions and delicate cucumber pickles, incorporating them into the sauce. With the sauce prepared and our taste buds primed, it's time to assemble our masterpiece. Carefully holding the tortilla wrap with one hand, we gently fold it, creating a slight bend that cradles all the mouth-watering ingredients within. Generously drizzle the sauce over the top, ensuring every bite is infused with its incredible flavors. And to add a final touch of crunch, we sprinkle some freshly chopped iceberg lettuce, adding a burst of vibrant green to our masterpiece. And there you have it, a tortilla beef wrap that tantalizes the senses and ignites the taste buds. With its succulent meat, melty cheese, and the medley of flavors in the sauce, this wrap is a true culinary delight. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.